What did the Hellcat say when you drove in with this?
The Hellcat looked right over at this thing and said, get in the trunk. Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and welcome to an impromptu video where my fully vaccinated parents are coming to visit us, and we haven't seen them in a while. And as a result, I maybe have failed to mention that I bought a Lamborghini, so today we're gonna reveal the car to them. There's two reasons why I haven't told them about it. One, I didn't want to hear about how irresponsible I was with my money. And two, I absolutely didn't want to hear how much I need to grow up. Remember, my dad owned a small plumbing business his whole life and took great care of our family with that. And my mom was a stay-at-home mom for the most part, running his business from home. So a Lamborghini never really fit into the equation growing up. And it's in the equation now. So hopefully I'll be able to take my dad for a ride. He's getting old and getting in and out of that thing might be difficult. But if so, we're gonna have a cool reaction drive. But for sure, we're gonna get their reaction to my insane purchase. But first, we gotta get this thing detailed and then roll that intro.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah, you feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah, even Mick Jagger couldn't move like a move. Yeah, you think you're how I look, I'm up on the moon. Yeah, got fresh to death and it came out of the tomb. That's cause I got a different type of gratitude. Don't be sour, got my power from the Beatitudes. And we did it the long way, check out the latitude. I'm unapologetically fly, don't wonder why, that's just my attitude. Yeah.
Alright, so the car has been detailed. Let's go show my folks. And before you get triggered, the car did not go through there. Don't worry. Let me show you this thing for a second. Ooh, look how clean that looks. These guys do a great job detailing cars here in Anaheim Hills. Let's go.
Kendall, you got a car.
Oh, we can't have. Oh, after how you guys don't like it.
Come on, tell me the story.
What do you think?
Are you holding it for
Oh! Wait a minute. You ready?
Yeah.
It's a Prius.
It's a Prius.
Bentley.
Oh, hi, Ben.
Nice. That's pretty.
Wait.
Look at that. No, it's not. It's a Lamborghini.
Holy
What'd you think it was?
He said a Prius.
I'm sorry. No hug. I
Who's
think
it?
I wet my pants when I saw the Lambo.
Yes, it is. I swear it's his.
Well, what's it? Those are eggs, man. Hold them like that.
What?
Come on, give me a story.
What do you think?
It's gorgeous.
Is that crazy?
Good night. Somebody.
It is yours, isn't it?
Oh yeah? You thought I was kidding?
Come on.
What? Where do I get the money? It's for my channel. It's for YouTube.
Come here, bitches.
I told you. You guys don't even watch my channel.
No, we don't get on the internet at all. We don't do much of anything.
Right?
Tell me a story.
So.
That's $300,000.
295,000.
That's pretty close. I said 300. Put a little pinch right
I'm
behind.
kidding. It's not $295,000. It's a 2005.
Oh, you wouldn't know it.
What are you doing with all these cars? We're gonna sell the other one?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet. I'm just.
Are you just loaning it? No, this is you put this on.
Yeah, it's my car, man.
Is the Prius pissed off?
The Prius is really upset.
You know, I was thinking, maybe in 2 years I get that one to Kendall and you give me the Prius,
Well, this is going to be Kendall's first car for high school.
Oh yeah, she was really gonna make friends like that.
Want to hear what it sounds like?
Yes. Does that make your Chrysler sound like a punk?
Watch this. Oh yeah, this thing is crazy.
it a stick?
It's a e-gear manual with paddles, so no clutch. With a clutch, but the clutch is internal.
Right. Good night.
Let's see the engine.
Yeah, wrong side, huh? Wrong end of the beast. Oh, good night. You only see these in magazines. Oh, good God Almighty. 2005. So you take care of these like a.
It's perfect, right?
Like a child. Huh? What was that?
So we'll go for a ride. Think you can get in and out?
Yeah, I'll get in.
You're getting out.
I gotta pull this. I used to like this. I used to like this car.
Freaking awesome, huh?
Things change in a hurry, don't they? God, night. No, now tell me. What's it?
95,000.
Why?
That's a great
I
deal.
thought they were over 200.
Yeah, brand new, but it's 16 years old.
How many miles?
22,000,
Jeez, that's brand new.
right?
Have you got any tickets yet?
No, I'm working on it though. It's really, really fast. No. I think my mom's just shocked.
Yeah, I know. She walks in and she's like, said nothing.
It's just a controlled fall without hitting your head. There you go.
Good Lord. Have mercy. Don't grab that.
Don't grab the window.
Oh.
I'll get him out. Here, we don't need these. All right, you're in. Awesome.
Oh.
You're in.
Come here, let's get you.
All right.
Good Lord, I never thought one of these would end up in the plumber's family.
Right? Whoops. And it's got a lift, so the front front goes up. So that
Oh, no shit, so you don't wreck the hell out of it.
Uh-huh. Whoopsie, it's a little tricky because it's kind of like a stick.
Don't scare the lady.
See the little lady up here? It moves.
Override lady. Oh my God. Dropped that in my neck.
All that.
Holy shit.
That's the thing. Oh God, I hate these roads. I hate these roads. Oh my God.
Snapping necks all around.
Oh yeah.
Are you guys automatic relatives? The other Lambos in town?
I haven't seen one yet, but as soon as I find that guy with the other Lambo in town, we're gonna be blood brothers. I have a lot of Hellcat friends though.
Everything is quick.
This is the best part right here. Ready? One of the overpasses.
Shit.
It just immediately goes.
Oh my God. Well, that is the most powerful vehicle I have ever put my ass in.
Feel it just go. It just takes off. The sound though, right? It's amazing.
Sure reminds me of my first airplane ride. Commercial jet. The cops are going to have your picture on their dash.
And in. Like this was the first really civilized Lamborghini. After those, even though I'd kill for a Countach, and those weren't even that fast. They've only gotten faster since then.
What's the top speed you don't ever want to experiment and find out?
It's just under like 200, but I wouldn't want to find out. I don't want to. There's nothing here. Like you're gonna get your DNA scraped up if you crash in this thing.
What did the Hellcat say when you drove in with this?
The Hellcat looked right over this thing and said, "Get in the trunk, bitch."
They said no competition.
They said, "Don't you dare speak Italian to me. Don't you even try it." Oh, jeez. Show respect, because I can still beat you.
No way.
Yeah, the Hellcat can beat this. I mean, in a straight line all day long. All day long.
Yeah,
The Hellcat's just, the transmission's incredible. Everything's modern. It's got 800 horsepower. And I can have a trunk full of groceries and 4 people in the car eating ice cream cones and still beat it. But if we end up on a track where there's even a single turn, then this thing's gonna eat its lunch, only because that thing's not designed for the turns. We're gonna get you out of here, which is gonna be the fun part, an event. And here, let me get out. I'll grab your hand.
Wait a minute.
Oh, this is not gonna get out. We got a cat opener.
Wait a minute.
Just give me your hand.
Just wait a minute.
You need to go under.
He ain't Randy. He still has arms.
I know, but it's easier. It's not.
Get back.
Got it?
That was, whoops. That was fun, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the ride with my dad. They love the car. My mom has the look of utter disappointment. At the same time, a little glimmer of joy that her son got the car he's always wanted. But nonetheless, I appreciate you all following. Please like, please subscribe. Be positive, stay motivated, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.
There's nothing in me that's super excited about driving that car, so.
The yellow one?
I love my car. I walk past the Lamborghini and get in my big, beautiful, comfy, luxurious vehicle.
I walked past her car and stuffed my fat ass in that little teeny tiny uncomfortable car, and then installed it at 2 stoplights, and I still look
And
good.
it jerks.